Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see it. If you are connected to your Wi-Fi network and also you see this error that no internet access. Your device is connected but you might not be able to access anything on the network. If you have a limited data plan, you can make this network a metered connection or change other properties. So how you can fix it? So just go down, you will find here change your network settings. So just tap on change adapter options. So just tap on it and just wait until it will open your adapter options. So here you will find your Wi-Fi network. So just click on the right button on it, and here you will find disable. So just choose from this all options disable and just wait until it will show to you that it's disabled. So just wait until it will be inactive. So sometime here you can see that it become disabled. So just click on it and choose enable. So and just wait until it will become enabled. So just wait some time. Sometimes it also can take some time for change. So just wait. So here you can see that it successfully become enabled. So just let's go back. Here you can see that we successfully connected to the internet and our error disappear. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.